Hello, hello mga forever! It's December and start na ng aming vlogmas at ng mga Christmas parties namin. So, ay birthday niya rin daw. Kailan ang birthday mo?
21.
Oh, wow.
21.
How old are you?
9.
So, today we're going to the Kramer's house for our
And
OGD group since 2005 Christmas party.
2005.
Yeah.
I wasn't even
Ay, 2015 pala. 2005. Kakapanganak lang pala ni Kuya Tash na 2015. At
That's my birthday.
syempre, anticipate nyo na ang traffic dahil Pasko. Kaya dapat alis ng 2 hours advance para hindi malate. Siguro mga ano tayo makakarating dyan? Mga 7.
7.
Yun na. Charot. Merry Christmas, girls! Ayan! Wow! Ilan ba need, ate? Nag-practice na kami. Competitive.
Sabihin nila madaya kasi mga actresses.
Ang mga girls ko, competitive. Ayaw magpatalo. Go! Go!
You have to draw one. Draw at the same time.
Draw at the same time. Oh my gosh, draw at the same time pala. Let's go, girls! Let's go, girls! Hindi pa nagdo-drawing si Checky.
Christmas or Christmas. Hindi siya word. Hindi siya word. It's a picture.
Wait lang, faster. I feel like
Nakabaliktad lang yung hat.
let's overlap.
Everybody, galing nakuha nila.
Look, this is the
The winners are you and Camila. The winners It's very easy.
Oh my gosh.
game.
Game.
What gifts did the wise men bring to Jesus? Wrong spelling.
Oh
Wrong.
my gosh. Woo! Pwede nga, ano answer nyo? Ano answer nyo? Ano answer nyo? Tip? And the winners are women! Woo!
Nagwala yung mga magulang ko and sobrang broken ko po. Nag-isip po ako ng kung ano-ano hanggang dumating sa point ko na lumayas po ako dahil feeling ko po hindi po ako safe sa mga ko sa nanay ko. Pumunta po ako sa mga tita ko.
Sweet Gavin.
Gavin, sign it. Gavin.
Gavin, sign it. Merry Christmas! Meet the scene? Behind the scene. Kulit ni Pastor eh.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so we are going to Skydance Manila for our kids charity dance today for the girls charity dance. First time naman papanood mag-dance yung mga girls. First time mo, ako napanood ko na. So, let's go! So, ito yung Maybank Theater. Nandyan yung mga girls. We're going! Ayaw, ang arte mo kasi. Yeah. Gusto mo ng modern, oh? But girls are here! Ang gaganda naman!
nagwo-walking
I miss you! Oh my gosh, girls! We're back! Hi everyone! So, we're waiting for the show to start. Ayan, nandito kami sa second floor. Naubusan na kami sa first floor kasi first come, first serve siya. But it's okay. Ang ganda ng pwesto namin. Katabi namin yung stage. Excited na kami mapanood ng aming mga anak. So, break a leg, girls.
Pag may theater, pagka kung nasan yung mga prinsipe, andito ako sa pwesto. Di ba yung box nila? Ganito yung nasa side.
Okay.
Let's go, Serene!
Harper.
Harper, let's go!
Talunan. Sorry, talon yan din ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Good job, Harp and Sar. Harper, Sarin! Harper, Sarin! Look at here. Good job. Girls have fun. You love dancing?
Yes.
So, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.